Hello, welcome back to anyone who has seen any of my previous videos, and welcome to anyone who is new here. My name is Yesenia Martinez. Today I'm going to be doing another video about the website Beestar. I'm going to get started how I typically do by typing in the URL into my web browser. I'm going to type in beestar.org. I'm going to select the first option here, and here we are. This is Beestar. In some of my previous videos, I've showed you guys a little bit of background about Beestar, such as what it has to offer your child, along with how you can even sign up your student for free. Today, I'm going to be focusing on showing you guys the different subjects that Beestar offers progressive exercises for. I'm going to start off by selecting the progressive exercise category here at the top left. I'm going to select the introduction. This will lead me to a page that shows the different subjects that Beestar offers. There's language arts, math, science, computer science, social studies, vocabulary, gifted and talented math, and the national competition. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys some real examples of these sample exercises. I'm going to select the samples function here. On this page, we can see the different subjects that's available for each grade. It starts off at first grade and goes all the way down to 8th grade. Today, I'm going to start off by taking a look at a first grade English language arts sample. I'm going to scroll down the page and select Start Exercise. And here we are. This is a great sample to start off with. I chose this one for two main reasons. Mostly because I wanted to start off with a simple grade. And secondly, because I'm an absolute huge fan of the colorful clip art, like I've previously mentioned. And this exercise happens to contain a lot of it. I'm going to proceed to taking a look at another sample. Let's exit out of this exercise. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and navigate back to that samples page by simply selecting the back button. The next exercise that I'm going to be reviewing is going to be for second grade. I'm going to do a second sample for the subject of math, scrolling down the page, selecting Start Exercise. Alrighty guys, for this exercise in particular, I'm actually going to review a few questions with you guys. But first, I'm going to complete this exercise really quickly. For the sake of time, here is a clip of me doing so. Okay, here is the results page to the exercise that I submitted. Whenever your student submits an exercise, the top of their page will also look like this. This is a key. The green diamond represents the correct answer that was chosen. The green diamond with the orange in the middle represents the correct answer that was not chosen. The yellow bookmark symbol is actually a really cool function for students to utilize. I'm going to show you how your students can use it too. Let's get started by looking at this exercise. As you can see, for question number 1, there is a correct indicator. Every question typically has the question along with an explanation on the results page. Question 2, 3, and 4 are also correct. Question number 5 is incorrect. I'm going to bookmark this question. If your student was to utilize this function like so, they would then be able to save this to their account and be able to review it in the near future when they would like to study the particular question further. I'm going to read the question and explanation. The question is, Carlos has a math machine. He puts in 11 and 7 comes out. He puts in 8 and 4 comes out. What is the machine's rule? The explanation says Look to see how the numbers relate to each other. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 8 minus 4 equals 4. If 4 is subtracted from each of the numbers put in, the out number will be correct. As you can see here, there is a red X symbol next to the answer choice I chose, which was incorrect, and there is a green diamond with orange in the middle representing the correct answer that I did not choose. Question number 6 is also incorrect. We're going to highlight this question as well. The question asks, using the ruler above, about how many inches long is the crayon? The explanation says, the crayon starts at the beginning of the ruler, 0 inches. It extends past the 4.5 inch mark, so it can be known that the crayon is more than 4.5 inches. The crayon goes about 1.5 inches past the end of the ruler. Therefore, the crayon is 4.5 plus 1.5 equaling 6 inches long. You can see this red X symbol next to the wrong answer that I chose, and the green diamond with the orange in the middle, again next to the correct answer that was not chosen. To wrap up this review, you can see question 7 and also question 8, 9, and 10 is also correct. Let's proceed to taking a look at one more sample. Let's exit out of this. Alrighty guys, I'm going to go ahead and navigate back to the samples page. The next exercise that I'm going to be reviewing is actually going to be for 2nd grade as well. I'm going to choose the first sample, scrolling down the page, and selecting Start Exercise. Alrighty guys, here is a great vocabulary exercise. Personally, I'm a huge fan of vocabulary exercises. As you can see at the top of this exercise, there's a list of words. Each word has its own meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and even example sentences to go along with the vocabulary word. These example sentences help students better understand the vocabulary word that they are learning. At the bottom of the page, there's a few questions in regards to the vocabulary words above. As you can see, these questions can be quite entertaining, but the best factor about these vocabulary exercises is there is a fun little surprise at the end. And here's the surprise, the crossword puzzle. Students really seem to enjoy this factor. This is going to wrap up today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for a part 2.